Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Audacity audio cleanup before Premiere Pro import. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Audacity on your computer. Import the audio file you want to clean up. To do this, click on File in the top menu. Then select Import and choose Audio. Once your audio file is loaded, listen to the recording. Identify any unwanted noises or disturbances. Select the portion of the audio that contains noise. To remove this noise, go to the Effect menu. Choose Noise Reduction from the drop-down. Click on Get Noise Profile. Now select the entire audio track by pressing Ctrl+A or Command+A. Return to the Effect menu. Again, select Noise Reduction. This time, adjust the settings to your. You can tweak the values for noise reduction, sensitivity, and frequency smoothing. Click OK to apply the noise reduction. Next, review the cleaned audio. Make any additional adjustments if necessary. If you'd like to enhance the audio further, use the compressor effect. Go back to the Effect menu and select Compressor. Adjust the settings to minimize the dynamic range. Once you're satisfied, click OK to apply the compression. Now, you might want to normalize your audio. Go to the Effect menu and select Normalize. This will help maintain a consistent audio level. Click OK to confirm the action. After finishing the cleanup, export your audio. Navigate to File and select Export. Choose your preferred file format, such as WAV or MP3. Name your file and select the destination folder. Click Save to export the cleaned audio. Now, open Adobe Premiere Pro. Import your cleaned audio file into your project. You can do this by dragging the file into the media bin. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.